Dear students, we have been studying many cell organelles present in unicellular, multicellular organisms, both in plants and animals. We have studied the cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum. Do you know there is another cell organelle called as vacuole? In this image of plant and animal cell both, you can see presence of vacuoles. Vacuoles are nothing but some membrane bounded sacs or bags. These vacuoles, they are storing different materials such as food, enzyme, minerals and even water. Hey students, did you observe any kind of difference in the vacuoles present in the plant and animal cells? Yes, the size of the vacuoles in animal and plant cells are not same. The vacuoles of the animal cells are quite smaller compared to the large size vacuoles in the plant cell. Animal cells use their vacuoles to store minerals, waste, nutrients, water, etc. But plants generally use their vacuoles to store large amount of water. These vacuoles present in the plant cell keeps the cells of plants very rigid and gives a structural support to the plant body so that the plant can stand erect. This is an amoeba, a unicellular organism. This amoeba also have vacuoles. In fact, amoeba has got different type of vacuoles, like the food vacuole, which carries food, like the contractile vacuole, which carries water. This food vacuole has been formed when the pseudopodia engulfs any kind of food by the process of phagocytosis. Students, I have been telling you that vacuoles are present in plants, animals, as well as in unicellular organisms. In front of you, there is a paramecium, an unicellular organism. Let us observe how the contractile vacuoles behave inside the paramecium. Are you ready? Let's get started. See how are the contractile vacuoles changing their shape, increasing and decreasing their shape. A vacuole is formed by taking in some water, and then vacuole is decreasing its size by giving out some amount of water, right? So in the paramecium we'll see a we'll see a contractile vacuole that contains water. See students, in front of you there is another unicellular organism, the amoeba. Okay, this is the amoeba, and there is a food here, which is amoeba will catch and form a food vacuole. Let us see how it happens. See how the pseudopodia have been extended, and its pseudopodia is going to engulf this food particle. This food particle is a living organism, maybe some kind of larva and all, maybe some kind of some other organism, maybe a paramecium. See how the pseudopodia has engulfed. Yes, both the pseudopodia has fused, and there is the formation of the food vacuole. I'll show you which is the food vacuole. See, this is the food vacuole formed, right? Now let us see how this inside this food vacuole the food will be digested. This paramecium or this other kind of ciliate, this is struggling inside the food vacuole. Interesting, is not it? So now we understand what is the function of a vacuole. Vacuole can not only store but it can also catch up some of its food in an unicellular organism.